This is Optimized Tube. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today I came across another way to create animations. It's easy to use because it's AI-powered, and best of all, it's free. The site is called Unboring AI. If you appreciate this video, then smash that like button. AI. This site offers two pretty cool features. The first is face swapping. It says here, create hilarious videos and edit faces in photos online. No advanced skills required and no more wasting time. So let's give it a try. Okay, looks like we need to upload a photo. But first we must sign up for an account. Okay, no biggie. I selected my photo and I chose a picture of this sexy little Native American woman to swap with. Here we go. Ew, oh my god, it's terrible.
Good gravy!
I mean, good god, do you see this? Ugh, I can't believe how bad it is.
Creepers!
Okay, yeah, no, ha. Let's move on to the other feature they offer. Okay, so make your photos talk and dance. Now that's the stuff we're looking for.
Yeah.
It says here, transform any photo into an animated video with our online face photo animator. Let's do it.
Okay.
Just in case this doesn't go well either, I'm gonna use this picture of Jessica Rabbit instead. Mrs. Rabbit, paired with good old Norma Jean, ought to be a good combination.
President, happy birthday to you.
Well, there you have it, folks. It's not bad. It's definitely no DID, but still a fun little tool to play around with. That's all I have for today. Thank you for watching. You guys rock!